Hello everyone. I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this simple vice grip, often overlooked, into a powerful, versatile metalworking tool. The first step is to mark the jaws precisely. Next, I'm securing the vice grip firmly in a bench vise. Now, I'm carefully trimming the markings on the pliers with an angle grinder. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Following my scribe lines, I'm cutting the metal strip into smaller pieces using the angle grinder. This demonstrates the modified vice grip's new cutting ability. I'm welding a modified clamp and a freshly cut metal bar together. The pointed jaws ensure good electrical contact and focus heat. After welding, I quickly clean the slag with a wire brush to reveal the strong, clean joint. This setup is perfect for quick repairs or small fabrication jobs. I'm preparing several small metal tabs by marking them with the scriber and then cutting them with the grinder. These small, uniform pieces are crucial for building up the custom shape I envision for this versatile tool. I'm attaching these small tabs directly to the jaws of the vice grip, essentially building up a custom, multifaceted tip. Each tab is carefully welded, ensuring a strong bond, and then cleaned and ground smooth. This iterative process of welding, cleaning, and grinding creates a seamless and robust new form for the tool, expanding its capabilities significantly. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. To increase its usefulness, I'm continuing to build another type of pliers. I take two longer flat metal pieces and weld them together. This technique can be applied to create various bases or support structures. I make sure the welds are clean and strong, chipping away all the slag for a pristine result. I use a grinding disc to smooth and clean the weld, preparing it for use. On a freshly welded piece of metal, I meticulously drew diagonal lines with a ruler and marker. Using the angle grinder, I carefully cut along the marked lines. I will prepare a lock by marking small rectangles. I began welding these small pieces of metal together, gradually forming a locking mechanism. Each piece of metal was welded individually for maximum strength, demonstrating the improved pliers' excellent grip and control during this complex process. After welding, I meticulously removed all the welding slag and used a grinding disc to clean and smooth the entire structure, giving a professional appearance. I repeated drawing a diagonal line and cutting it as before. Our homemade clamp has taken shape. Next, I secured the homemade clamp to the vise. Then I took a nut and carefully welded it to the clamp, creating a secure, non-moving connection. This step forms the core of the adjustable clamping mechanism, which will be integrated into the clamp. Next, I took a threaded rod and attached it to the clamp via the nut I just welded. I will weld on a shorter piece of metal to make a handle for the rotating lock of the clamp. Finally, I cleaned the weld, ensuring it was strong and functioning properly. And here it is, my friends. From a simple pair of pliers, I created a truly versatile metal fixing station. It can hold many different metals perfectly, all thanks to some innovative improvements. Look, it can easily hold 4 large metal bars. Next, with this homemade tool, I'll fix this metal bar to the table so I can cut it with an angle grinder. This DIY device is proof that with a little creativity and some basic tools, you can achieve amazing things and expand the capabilities of your workshop well beyond their original design. If you enjoyed watching this project come to life and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.